Hello everyone. My name is Emma and I am so happy to see you here today. You work so hard to learn English and you deserve to see great results. Do you ever study 20 words on Monday but you forget almost all of them by Tuesday? This is not your fault and your brain is not broken. You just need a better way to learn. Today I will give you 5 powerful gifts to help you remember every English word forever. If you stay until the end of this video, you will have a new superpower for your memory. Let us begin. The first way to keep a word in your memory is to build a story for it. Your brain does not like lists of words. Your brain loves stories. Let us look at the word nervous. Nervous means you feel a little bit scared about something that is coming. Do not just say the word nervous 10 times. That is boring and your brain will fall asleep. Imagine a man named Leo. Leo has a very big job interview today. He stands outside the office. His hands are shaking. He thinks about the boss. He thinks about the questions. Leo is very nervous. He walks inside and he takes a deep breath. Now you have a story for the word nervous. When you think of Leo, you will remember the word. Let us try another word. The word is delicious. It means food tastes very good. Imagine a girl named Mia. Mia goes to a new bakery. She buys a large chocolate cake. She takes one bite, and her eyes go wide. She says this cake is delicious. She eats the whole cake in 1 minute because it is so delicious. Now you have a story for Mia and her cake. You can do this with any word. Pick a character and give them a situation. Your brain will hold on to that story like a treasure. The second way to remember is to move your body. Your body and your brain are best friends. When you move your body, you tell your brain that this moment is important. Let us try the word reach. It means to stretch your arm to touch something. Do not just look at the screen. Stand up right now and reach your arms high up to the sky. Say, I reach for the stars. Do it again. Reach high. Feel the stretch in your sides. Your brain now connects the word reach to that feeling in your muscles. Let us try the word scrub. This means to clean something very hard. Move your hands like you are cleaning a dirty floor. Scrub the floor. Say, I scrub the kitchen. Feel your arms working. This physical movement creates a map in your brain. Let us try the word wiggle. Move your fingers and your toes right now. Say, I wiggle my toes. It is fun and it is easy. When you move your body, the word stays in your head because it is not just a sound. It is an action. The third way is to use your feelings. Emotions are like glue for your memory. Boring words die, but words with feelings live forever. Think about the word lonely. It means you feel sad because you are alone. Think about a time you were in a new city and you had no friends. Feel that quiet sadness for a moment. Say, I felt lonely on my first day. That feeling helps the word stay. Now think about a happy word like brave. It means you do something even if you are scared. Think about a time you did something difficult. Maybe you spoke English to a stranger, or you finished a hard project. Feel that strength in your chest. Say, I am brave. When you connect a word to a real feeling in your heart, your brain decides to keep it. Let us try the word curious. It means you want to know more. Think about a child looking at a colorful bug. They want to know everything about it. Feel that interest. Say, I am curious about the world. Using your heart is the fastest way to learn. The fourth way to remember words is to make them musical. Your brain loves music and rhythm. This is why you remember songs from when you were a small child. You can turn any English word into a little song or a funny sound. Let us use the word bounce. It sounds like what it is. Say it with a rhythm. Bounce. 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 Imagine a ball hitting the floor. Make your voice go up and down. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Now let us try the word shiver. This is what you do when you are very cold. Say it like you are shaking. Shiver. 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 It sounds cold. It sounds like a person who is freezing. Let us try the word glide. This means to move smoothly. Say it slowly and softly. Glide. Glide. Like a bird in the sky. When you make the word sound like music, you are playing a game with your brain. Games are fun and your brain wants to remember things that are fun. The fifth way is the most important rule of all. You must use the word today. I call this the 24-hour rule. Your brain is like a person who cleans a house. If you do not use a new word today, your brain thinks the word is trash. Your brain will throw the word away while you sleep to make space. But if you use the word today, your brain thinks the word is a valuable tool. It will put the word in a safe place in your memory. Let us try the word thirsty. It means you need water. If you learn this word, you must say it 3 times today. Tell your friend I am thirsty. Write a message on your phone that says I am thirsty. Think about being thirsty before you go to bed. If you use it today, you will keep it forever. If you wait until tomorrow, it will be gone. You are doing a wonderful job. Let us review our 5 gifts. 1. Create a story for the word. 2. Move your body when you say the word. 3. Connect the word to a strong feeling. 4. Make the word sound like music. 5. Use the word within 24 hours. You do not need to do all 5 things for every word. Just pick 2 or 3 ways that you like. This is how you study smarter and not harder. You are an amazing student and I am so proud of your progress. Here is your homework for today. Pick 1 new word from this video. Use that word 3 times before you go to sleep tonight. Write it in the comments so I can see your hard work. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. I want to help you every single day on your English journey. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And most importantly, have fun with your English. I will see you in the next video. Stay confident. Stay curious. And keep smiling. Goodbye.